What up, humanity? Spacebook coming at you with an astrology video. Today we're going to define the sun in the ninth house. So, what is the sun? Sun is your individual spark of the divine. It is what you see, or like the way that what you're taking in from your surroundings. It is your dharma, so it's the things that are going to have to happen to you in order for you to reach your evolutionary goal spiritually for this life. What is the ninth house? The ninth house is travel, so foreign lands. It's higher education, and it is touching the allness of the universe. Like, it's God, the house of God is what they would call it. They do call it. I'm not the super most fond of the word God, in essence of, it's just a word, but it's still got some shit hung up on it. So the way I try to look at it is, it's the house that connects us to the oneness of all things, which is, I guess, God. For me, the ninth house is interpreted with music because it is my path to the all. I know a lot of people who are like that, actually. A lot of the ninth house sun people that I know are way into their music. Now, sun in the ninth house. You are going to benefit from higher education, whether it is self-inflicted or of a, accepted source, as long as you're able to pursue your desired subject further than what is normally taught, like basically finding something that you love and then following it, or like learning more about it, taking it all in. Wisdom, the ninth house is Sagittarius house, so it's also a house of being a teacher. So ninth house sun could definitely be somebody who comes through the teacher element. Now, as far as the travel aspect of the ninth house, I have had very heavy ninth house placements. I don't like to travel, but I like to let my mind wander. I like to experience different cultures and different parts of existence in life, human life, animal life, whatever, through taking it in from either reading or videos, or, I'm expanding myself to other cultures, but I don't have to leave my house, which is super dope, because I just don't want to leave. I got my cat. He can't go with me, really. So travel doesn't need to be taken in a direct sense of physically leaving with your body around. It can also be viewed as either mentally or spiritually. Why not? One of the best ways to escape. Spiritually fucking zip up out of there. Let's see what else can I tell you about the sun in the ninth house. I guess that's good for now. 3 minutes is better than what I'm usually doing. So that's your first part of an analysis for sun in the ninth house. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace the fuck out.